Many Windows 11 users complain that the widgets on their computer are not working. So through this video, we will show you some ways to fix the widgets if it stops working. So first on the list, make sure that the widgets are enabled on your device. You can just right-click on your desktop, choose Personalization, click Taskbar, and then turn on the Widgets toggle. Next, try disabling the driver and check for the results. Do it by going to Device Manager, click Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics driver, and select Disable Device. Then wait for a few seconds, and then re-enable the driver. However, if the issue persists, right-click on your graphics driver and select Update Driver. Then once done, restart your computer after installing the latest driver version. Now, many users also confirmed that reinstalling the Edge Web View fixed their widget-related problems. So all you have to do is go to this website, scroll down to the bottom of the page, then find the right installer for your computer. So those are the different fixes if your widgets is not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.